Okay, hi guys, this is my first video and of like my channel name called Experiment Nature and more. And what we're gonna do today, showing you how to make a shape out of sand, but we're gonna do some more cooler things in the next videos. Okay, let's just go straight into the video. Remove that and let's make a hill and make a hole with your finger. I've seen this on YouTube and I tried it out before. I know it's true, so I can show you how to do it. And then pour water in the cup. It should make a tiny hole. Anyways, remove the dry sand next to it, and it'll just, like, for example, make this shape. And you'll make this, but the only trouble is gonna break when you pick it up. But it's just so if you don't want it to break, then don't make it. But it's just a tutorial, which is very quick. So yeah, you can, if you want to, you can try out this thing I figured out yourself. So bye.